Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. Now, following our unboxing of the iPhone 11 product Red, where apparently hell froze over, today we're going to unbox the Ringke Fusion-X case for the iPhone 11. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so I have an iPhone. It is a lovely, shiny, in this case glossy device, but as you can see it picks up quite a lot of dust. It's a fingerprint magnet and I'm terrified of dropping it and shattering either the front or the back glass. It's an expensive device, so wouldn't want to lose that. So I ordered this case, a Ringke Fusion-X, on Amazon, and we're going to see what the packaging's like. If you're interested in purchasing one of these cases, you can do so. I'm going to put the link in the description to this video, as well as the links to the other Ringke cases we have unboxed previously for other devices, including the Google Pixel 4 XL, the Huawei P30 Pro, and the Xiaomi Mi 9T. Right then, let's start off looking at what's in the packaging. So there's some interesting codes and information for your next order of products. There is Fusion-X information on the product, which I'm very comfortable with. I've been using for quite a while. And the instructions on how to take the film off. So as with other ones, we need to peel back the plastic film that's on there. It is quite an easy experience, as you can see. Simple pull. I'll put that away. And then what we need to do is remove the inside film. This is a bit trickier because of the lip on the case, but I'm sure we can manage. Just a question of getting that initial angle. And there we have it. So that's the two film cases off, and then the case just slips in as you'd expect. So there we go. That is the Ringke Fusion-X case put on my iPhone 11. I should have probably cleaned the back of the device because you can see fingerprints through the case on the iPhone logo, but I'm not too bothered really. I'm not that much of a perfectionist. But as you can see, the case shows off the back of your iPhone nicely. Not only the logo, but the product Red logo, and the color comes through really, really nicely. The protection, as we've seen on previous Ringke Fusion-X cases for other devices, is nice and chunky. It has a bit of a lip, so you're less likely to scratch the screen to your iPhone in this case if you put it face down on a surface, because that lip does lift it slightly. There is a nice power button in the case itself, and the same with the volume rocker. Now, unlike other Ringke Fusion-X cases we've unboxed and used, this one has a full cutout for the ringer switch. So I suppose they couldn't really make a button for that as they have with the actual buttons. And as you can see, the corners are nicely protected. And at the bottom there is cutouts for the stereo speakers at the bottom and the lightning port, so you can charge your device if you're not charging wirelessly. So overall, I'm quite happy with this. As I said, this is going to make sure my iPhone 11 is relatively well protected. I'm going to be considering getting a screen protector. What do you think? Is this something you think I should get for my iPhone 11? Would a screen protector help keep it safe? Let us know in the comments, or drop us a like. Just let us know under this YouTube video. But for now, thank you for watching this unboxing of the Ringke Fusion-X for iPhone 11. And if you don't, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Coming up soon, more adventures in iOS, but also some travel. I will be going on a holiday next week, creating some content as I go, as well as appearing as a guest on All About Android. And we hope to bring you some interesting content, which is maybe not entirely tech related. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.